Have you ever heard a strange noise in your house and just brushed it off? It started with faint whispers, so quiet I thought I was imagining things. Then one night I was about to say, "I'm going to bed," when a voice from the hallway whispered the exact same words, just a split second before I did. My blood ran cold. It wasn't an echo. It was a pre-echo. The next day I thought, "I need a coffee," and from the kitchen I heard, "I need a coffee." It knows what I'm about to say. It lives in my house, in my head, stealing my words before they're even mine. It's getting louder, closer. What happens when it takes more than just my words? I'm terrified to even think. What would you do? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more chilling stories.